you got one here too.
But it could have just been a net.
You could have.
Okay, any more? You got.
Why?
I don't see any.
I had that itty bitty going up my leg.
And you're supposed to shake it down. So that's
another one.
What in the world,
Wow.
Harley?
Well, I was kneeling in it too for a while. Oh, there's another one in my sock.
Get a prize for finding the most?
Pride.
There it is. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Come on.
Alright,
You go in? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, and you do want to do this, because otherwise when you open it up,
How many do you need all together anyway?
There's usually like 300 or 400 people racing, so you need one for each.
So they each get their wood tick. How do they hold on to them and just?
Some of them bring their own cages.
really?
Yeah, they have their own cages.
Did Dorothy tell him how she
Look, turn around.
plans to make suits?
Suits!
Colored
No.
suits? Remember she always said,
Yeah.
even when you shake them down.
You were going to let him run off their license?
Is that like
Well,
yeah,
do that.
it's
Well-
first, second, or third place.
Can they?